Hey, do you want to know what is the secret power in volume trading? Stay until the end of the video. I'm going to share with you what are the things that you can consider when you trade with volume. Without further ado, let's begin. Welcome back to the Crypto Lab. My name is Sifu Wong. Today, we are going to discuss about what is the secret behind volume in crypto trading. Now, when you come to volume, it is available for us to read the chart. When you look at the chart, it is already there, right? But the thing is that how you're going to extract this information when it comes to volume trading. Yeah, and yet again, I'm going to discuss about a few aspects or a few different categories for you to consider when it comes to crypto trading related to volume. So first of all, what is volume? Now, basically, volume, it depends on which time frame that you're looking at. It is the total number of coins that has been traded on that specific period of time. So what do we read from here when it comes to volume, especially on a specific time frame? Let's say, for example, on a 1-hour chart. When you see the rise of volume there on a 1-hour chart, it only means that there are high interest that involves in that particular 1 hour. Be it a green color bar, that means a lot of buyer actually shows interest or activities in buying Bitcoin, for instance. So if the bar is in red color, that means a lot more sellers actually in that particular 1 hour to sell Bitcoin. Not only it gives an idea whether the buyer or the seller is more on that particular time frame, it is also given us an idea whether how can we expect the price might turn out, and also how to identify a fake out or a breakout over here. Why volume matters in trading? Simply because when you have a high volume, that means you have a high interest on that particular time frame. So a high volume, high volatility. So what we want here is the volatility so that we can enjoy the movement from the volatility, right? Simply said, a high volume equals to strong trend, while a low volume equals to a weaker trend. As simple as that. Not only that, it also helped us to detect breakout or a fake out. So when you suddenly saw a breakout that happens, but on the volume side, it shows a very low volume, a very high possibility that this is just a fake out. So it might not be real, or it might not be continuously pushing up the price when you have a low volume. Now, next part, we are going to talk about how you can use volume in trading. Well, apart from using volume, you can also use the RSI reading for you to identify whether the volume pushed out has already reached to its peak by using the RSI overbought or the oversold. Just for example, you saw a very tall green color volume appear on a 1-hour chart, but on that particular time frame that shows on the RSI is already overbought. So you need to have this expectation that this pump or this bullish momentum right here might actually end soon. So you're going to expect that a dump might actually happen in no time. So it gives us an idea to combine with RSI to see whether the momentum has already reached to its peak when you trade with volume. Now, a few common mistakes that a lot of people make when they trade cryptocurrency also is that number one is that they ignore volume completely, that they don't look at volume. Okay, so it's very difficult for them to identify whether the pump has already reached to its peak. But of course, there are some other indicators that you might actually use there. But volume is also a very simple and direct indicators that you can identify what is going to be your expectations right here to see whether it's already at its peak of its pump or whether it's at its peak of its dump as well. Another common mistake is whereby people like to chase breakout but without checking on the volume. So if a breakout that happens on a low volume bar on that particular time frame, that might actually indicate a fake out. So if you don't check with volume, you might actually end up with a drawdown trade. All right, those are the few points that I would like to consider when I come to trade with volume indicators. So what is your secret weapon when it comes to volume trading? Drop down in the comment section below. If you find this video interesting and helpful to you, please remember to smash out the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out anything important. Now, make sure that you also sign up for your new BitUnix account, where I'm going to include in the description area below, where I will also include my Telegram as well. So sign up for your new BitUnix account and send your user ID to my Telegram, where I'm going to add you to our close community, where you can enjoy all the support that you need and also to gain massively together with us. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Until I see you in the next video.